Hey guys, Rich here. Rich's Custom Marine and Auto. Hey, working on my daughter's car here, this 2003 Mustang, and I just want to share a quick one with you. When you go to change the automatic transmission fluid and you pull this pan off, and this is true for F-150s and other vehicles as well. It seems like in the early 2000s, Ford used this little deal right here. That goes up and it blocks the dipstick spot up inside the transmission. And then as soon as they installed the dipstick in the transmission, they pop that thing out and it just falls down in the pan there, like so. Um, Not a huge deal because, of course, the screen won't pick that up or anything. But so yeah, when you drop the pan and you hear, mine was something that sounded like a bolt rolling around in the pan. I'm like, what in the world is going on? That's what that is. And that's also a sign that your transmission's never been serviced, because these don't have a drain plug and the pan's got to come off. So anyways, hope that helps any of you guys out that may come across this. So appreciate you guys following along, and we'll catch you on the next one.